Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to completely log out or sign out from Gmail account in any PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple method. So let's go to our video. First, log into your Gmail account. After that, here we find many things. Go to the here top. In top, we find our profile picture or the initial of our Gmail account. Click at here profile picture. Here we find sign out option. Click on the sign out option. Here we find our all sign in options or the sign in Gmail account. We want to remove our Gmail name from also here. Go to the here remove an account. Click on remove an account and select the account that you want to remove. I want to remove this account. Click on that account and click on yes, remove. After that, your Google account or the Gmail account is completely removed from the your browser in any PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.